Biko Ilanya Evuna Edu Ezarunadia Edu Ezarunadia Biko no Korona where oh Toya we no Biko yeah we Toya my boss captain when is captain Biko my boss Ebo no you should come and see me now that was my boss captain Ebo no Biko I recognize you as my guy. So give chance, let the road. All should respect our king. Everybody should stand up for your topic. Kind of bata, Onyari, everyone in a big kind of bata, all by Sawala. It came in 2024 because also no bata, our own brother, our own our official assignment. In the road, all by Sawala. So as this, we doesn't really see, and there's a Zabudiko, any any photographer, journalist, another thing, Biko. In the room, as in the room, please, it's a man I respect so much. My boss, the man that taught me whatever I'm doing today. Captain, for security reason, I won't give more. Master, let me welcome you, sir. We need another mic. Thank you, sir.
Eke Eke no Eke Ekpe. Eke ka kwari ugwu dị ka o kwesịrị. Ka anyị guzoro ya ọtọ. Ka anyị sọpụrụ ya. Ka anyị kwari ugwu ekwesịrị ịkwanyere ya ka o nwee ike. Gbagee n'ogige a. Iji gosi mmasị ya na ịhụnanya ya n'ebe ndị arụ nọ. Arụ mmanụ. Okigbo mmanụ. Amanama mmanụ. Ori ihe. The program is about to kickstart. Eke Aro has arrived.
Okay, come back.
Eke Aro is making his way.
Come back.
To take his position. The man is actually rejoicing because Aro is a new look. Aro is wearing a new look. Courtesy of His Eminence as a doctor, engineer, Ebenetiku Ekano Oji. In the affairs of the jury, I don't go for this, so that the jury. Because here another program. Because Ike, give us another program. We're having only one here. Please, let's have another program. Ike Okafor is the chairman of the planning committee of the IKEJI celebration 2024. And if you ask me, he has done pretty well. We appreciate him greatly. Ike Okafor, thank you so much. Your quality program, quality everything, we appreciate you. Thank you. Eke Aro is actually trying to take his seat. And we want to move on. We have to move on. Can we have Genesis around? Genesis, if you're around. Genesis, can report to us if you are, please. I gave an assignment and I want to have a reply. Genesis, please, if you're very much around, could please come to the podium. come to the podium.
It's okay now, please. You can go.
Ezaro is already standing, which means everybody is standing. Ezaro, because he's sitting down, he's taking his seat right away, and Ugeza is also doing the same. And once that is done, it is mandatory we have to sit up. Well, Aro in or not? Ezaro or not?
Hey, boss. Okay,
Because I reckon we want this movement, so we're able to so that we can commence the program in earnest. We're able to so that we can begin the program properly. Ezaro has arrived, Ugeza is here, Ndezogo, they have also arrived, and then Zukaro, they are also here. So everybody is here. All the villages, I'm sure they are very much here waiting for action. Because I make a madnile when he came Makata preacher now Arab Kingdom. We want to say that truly the program of events since we started till now.
Okay, that's it.
Imama that there is a great change from what we are used to in the past. From interdenominational service to other things like book launch, dinner, Eke Aro and all that. And of course there was a lecture yesterday by Professor Wanko at the Civic Center. And of course there was a Eke Ekpe yesterday.
So this place will be open.
Of course, I'm a witness. I've also where Ezaro and so on. And today again, this is the grand finale of the event. Talking about Eke Aro. The stage is set. And very shortly, we're going to invite somebody who will say the opening prayers, and we kick started from there.
Don't worry. I don't do them already.
Very shortly, we're going to invite somebody to text the opening prayers right away.
You can't block this area now.
Reverend Father Peter is here, and we take him. Reverend Father Peter has been part of us here. And all the time when we call him, this is his own soil. Son of the soil, and so when we call Reverend Father Peter, he would have to come. If there's so many instructions, it's only that will give instructions. Yes. How much is the go? Genesis. Where is Genesis, please? Genesis. Reverend Father Peter is climbing the staircase to be able to declare this event open in an opening prayers. We want to acknowledge Nande Zogo Nile Noeba, Nde Zukaro Nile Noeba, Nde Petron Zukaro Nokwaneba, Nde Ogo Nile Nokwaneba. Mazi Reverend Joshua is walking towards the high table, if you ask me to call that, to take his position or seat. Please guide him properly because he has to find a convenient place to sit down.
Wherever you can get that angle. I want to play it.
Okay, just wait. Where is Genesis, please? Genesis. Okay, because we are still not very. We are still seeing movements all over the place. Movements. Please let's know the number of Ezogos that are here. We know Eke Aro is here, His Eminence is a Dr. Engineer Eberechukwu Enikano Oji. Eke Aro is supposed to be here as well. Mazi Okorafo Eke Aro na Okwaragu. We also expect that the Ezibomisi, His Royal Highness, Eze Emosungu Okoro should also be here. Because the cameramen, let's try and be orderly. Those who are holding cameras, the newsmen should please be orderly so that we maintain decorum in the environment.
Daniel, what's wrong? That guy eating. That guy eating. Point on here.
Okay, because if we are ready, we are ready. There are still movements. As you can see, we still have movement here. We want to get this settled, and then there will be open prayer for us to start. Reverend Father Peter is already here to take us in the beginning of the show. Take us in the beginning rather of the show. And we move on. All the villages in the show, ready with your dances.
Everything is said. My
brother Charles is also here. Thank you very much for coming. MC Wagon, please already bring me what I asked you to do, please, very quickly.
I'm doing it, sir.
Quickly, and let's go. Because I like this movement. We want to start. Ike, let's have peace. I want to start the program now.
Yeah, they will not get on this train. Can we do that? Can they maintain this?
Because I want a Reverend Father.
Can they maintain this place?
Peter Okafor is our son here, and because of his love for this kingdom, each time we invite him to come. I don't think I have to use inviting because he should be part of this thing. So let me just say, each time we ask him to come, because he's not actually resident in Aro here, Reverend Father Peter will come and also do what we ask him to do. Asking him to kickstart the program with an opening prayer. How do we go?
Praise the Lord.
Stand this way.
Can you put on Sopro Basibinello?
Alex, in a garage, go to that my laptop of man. No man, Mba, ya no with it. Ya guzo your fuma.
Na hanna na kopara na nke mmụọ nsọ Chineke jike niile nna nwere obiọma Arọchukwu bụ ụmụ gị bụ obodo gị ị na-agọzi anyị oge niile ijiri ụbara mmadụ gọzie anyị ụbara ụmụ gọzie Arọ ijiri ụbara aka ọrụ dị iche iche gọzie Arọ ijiri ndụ gọzie Arọ anyị na-ekene gị n'afọ 2024 maka ihe ọma dị iche iche iji gọzie anyị na-asị ekele niile mbuli elu niile dịkwara gị ka ebulie aha gị elu ka eto aha gị n'ime arọ Chukwu biko nna wetara anyị udo wetara anyị ịdịkọ n'otu wetekwara anyị ịhụnanya zuru oke ka ọ ga-abụ anyị niile dịkọ n'otu anyị wulite obodo anyị warọ Chukwu elu ngọzi niile ga-adịrị anyị ọ ga-gọziere anyị ụmụ anyị gọziere anyị ndị inyom anyị gọziere anyị ndị ikom anyị gọzie mmadụ niile arọ abụrụ obodo ga na-akọntinu ga na-aga n'ihu na-abụ ndị eji ama atụ ihe ndị a ka anyị na-arịọ site na Jizọs Kraịst onye nwe anyị udo dịrị unu.
Biko Kakoro, Reverend Father Peter Okrafa Akabiko, thank you very much. We have to keep moving. There should be total introduction of everybody, but I want to acknowledge that we have His Eminence already here as a Dr. Engineer Eberechukwu Enikano Orji is very much here with his Ugeze.
Thank you.
Already seated.
Alex.
Biko, I recognize ndị ezogo niile nọ n'ebe a from Ugwu Akoma to Amovi. We will mention your names as we go on. I remember all the members of Up Aro who are championing this cause. I may mention your names as we go on. We will also remember the patrons led by Professor Okoro Ijoma. I am sure he's here too with his team. I'm talking about the patrons, and we will also acknowledge them as we go on. Because for now, before we begin to do any introduction or somehow, we will the Aro national anthem. And while we're expecting the national anthem, all right, people, can we take the national anthem before we take the Aro anthem, please? Can we be upstanding? Because I Namasa national anthem then. Can we go?
Oh my God!
Can we go?
We just allow it.
Nigeria, we on their natives, both tribe and tongue may differ in brotherhood we stand. Nigerians all are proud to serve our sovereign motherland. As flash shall be our same mother, truth and justice reign. If peace or battle, honor and days will count as game. To hand unto our children, our without sin. The last one. Oh God of all creation, grant this our request. Help us to standing Aro anthem. Aro.
Okibo.
Aro.
Okibo.
Aro.
Omochukwu.
Onye ukwu biri n'udo. Onye nta biri n'udo. Ụwa Okibo biri n'udo. Anyị biri n'udo. Udo. 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 Anyị biri n'udo. Jide ọfọ. Onye nta jide ọfọ. Ụwa Okibo jide ọfọ. Eji mara anyị. Udo. 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 Anyị biri n'udo. Ezaru anyị ekele. Presidenti anyị ekele. Ụmụọrụ Okibo anyị ekele. Ichewa n'udo. Udo. 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 Anyị biri n'udo. Aro. Okibo. Aro. Okibo. Aro. Omochukwu. Thank you very much. Thank you so very much. We are making progress. We've said the national anthem. Men also said the Aro anthem. And then we have to present kola nut.
Giving the money to share. This is where they
We have to present the kola nut. Because kaibu sochi. Mzukaro kaibu sa oje nyendaro.
Biko. Cho Okibo Mamano. Amara Mamano.
Yeah.
Amutozi Mamano.
Yeah.
Nganga Mamano.
Yeah.
Ifunanya Mamano.
Yeah.
Udo Mamano.
Yeah.
Iyom orihe. Iyom orihe. Biko agmanarunu ikike ka ibe ni Ibuari ọjị a agaza kwesị Ibuari amaka mgbe adịrịghị anyị mana ogbochighị anyị iburu ya wee zikwa onye eze anyị yo ma agwa anyị ihe a meji ọjị a eme because it's by singular pleasure with every sense of humility, sir.
Why not taking us?
Because the bar ọjị
That was over. Even control by my lens. I'm very fast. Is that person disturbing you?
Because Georgia, ebe ndị eze letali aka ọkpọgazuola kindred ndị nwụrụ.
I will tell you time dragging. So that you can go and take their half of documentation.
Okibo, Mamman. Aro Okibo, Mamman. Amanama, Mamman. Orihe. Ikwere ha ụlọ adịle mma. Ka wụ izu pụrụ iche n'ala ahụ. Asị onye isi ọgọ ya bịara ya si ya na ha enyo ya. Ọkwa eziokwu. A na-ekwu na Eke Ekpe Aro eruole. Onye ama ihe ọsị ya nụle na ntị na o ruole ya na ha abịa. Onye mkpụrụ ọsị ya na ha abịa. Aro, Mamman.
Mon, Zon, Gwen, Maza Bruloji, also Oji Bunanya, Oji Organivu, Oji one name, Oji Udon Aliar, also Organivu Generaliar, Ndeni Lequeno Udo Madan Aliar, Itioko.
See the line. Everybody stay behind this.
Udo Madina Aliar.
Go back now. Go back.
I Eke Chineke biko libo.
The line here.
Ndi nyomai. What would he can be can? Ndi komai. What would he can gandi? Agoma waganivu adina Aliar. Nava kenna. Na kopa. Na kemonso. Arutie uko. Ndewono. Okibo mmambano amana mmambano biko mgbe a na-ebugharị ọjị unu ga-ama na ihe agha bịara Eke Ekpe o nwekwara agaghịzi emekwa omenala ndị ọzọ dị iche iche biko eze agwụ biko ka a ga-eme omenala na Tidak ramah kamu. Kamu cari. Aji bagus sih. Coba lagi tu. Avec les John.
We expected the traditional leaders of the kindreds to please come on and do the usual traditional pouring of libation.
Aro man. Okay, but man. Okay, but man. Yori. IKEJI we here na-eme kwa afọ. A na-eme afọ harafọ. A na-agọpụ ọfọ. Ebe a bụ oge ama ikpe. Anyị na-agọpụ ọfọ. Anyị na-asị taa ndị ichie arụ ka ị ma tara ọchị. Ilekwa ji ihe tara. Ndị bụ arụ a ịtara ọchị. Taa ọ taa bụ Eke Ekpe arụ. Onye amaghị ọmara ịba bụ ibe a na-eme ọhịa bụ oge ama ikpe. Ibe a na-eme IKEJI arụ. Ma a nọ n'oge ibe a mee ya ọ na-aga ọkwa nna. Ihe anyị na-asị ndụ onye ukwu ndụ onye nta ndụ nwoke ndụ nwanyị onye ọ bụla eso ụma na IKEJI ama adị ihe anaghị adị. Anyị na-asị ihe dum ma aga nke ọma anyị na-eme gbaa ya kpam. Ofu ahara dị n'oge arụ ọ ma adachiri o nweghị ihe mere ọ gaghị ji. Anyị na-eme omenala mesuo emesi ka o were gaa ji nye o nwere ntụtụ na-ele anya n'ọkpụkpọ omenala ka a na-eme na ọ na-abụ omenelu be taa anyị na-ezi na ọ bụghị omenala a na-emesue mman ile anya mgbe agawane ihe anyị na n'ugbu a bụ ka awụpụrụ lekwen ndị amaghị ile mmanya ịṅụrụ okpu ememe egbughị ememekwa onye si isi anyị na-ada eje ya were nke ịda lekwen ịṅụrụ oke bụ mman
Biko anyị agọlere ndị ichie anyị ụfọ biko nụ and we are making progress. That's another stage of it. But meanwhile, let's recognize a few people here. I have already recognized everyone here. When you oblige you, we are here. I'm acknowledge now. So we appreciate you from His Eminence to the least person. Let me also appreciate Nzukwaro, the principal officers, Mazis Sadoziel, Assistant Secretary General, and of course we have Mazis Adin, the Treasurer General, Mazi Kechuku Koraf, the Financial Secretary General, of course, and the one that is the chairman who is organizing this event today. We also have Mazi Dr. N.C. Injaka, who is the Public Secretary, Mazi Eberokoro, the Assistant Financial Secretary General. We have Barrister Obunia Doti, who is the legal advisor, and of course Mazi Chukwemeka Okoro, who is the Provost General, remembering as well Mazi Dan Owa, who is the Welfare Officer General. Of course, number one, I am Ezin Chibuzo Yegwero, Adamazi Ogechi Bialose. We have Ezin Ukeria Oti. We have Elder Mrs. Kate Nenaya Ijoma, of course, for the ESCO of women. We also have the national patrons, Mazi Professor Koro Ijoma, the chairman, Mazi David Moko, the secretary, Mazi Mayamiebo, Mazi Imakano Ivi Uguaro, and the wife also very much here. Mazi Samo Waboma is also Uguaro and a member of the board of patrons. Mazi Dr. Koro Babi, also a member, not even Mazi Dr. Ochi Achinivu OON Uguaro, who is also a member, and of course Mazi Elder Eddie Paul Kano and Mazi Dr. OJ Nana. These are the patrons. Can we please quickly run through the Ende Zogoneba? Because very quickly, very quickly.
Because I will also go Utugu. Mazi Moses Awoka, because they did not Vaka. I will also go Obinkita. I will also go Amaku. I will also go Amafi. I will also go Anthony. I will Cesar Lizago. I will also Amoba. I will also Gubo. I will also go Saga. We also go Amukwa. We also go Sintu. Because Ananamata, Honorable.
Bring your bag.
Carl Obazurumba, one of your children, a former base in Canada, Ambassador Mbeko.
The mayor of Arajuku local government, Mazi Ezaro, is very much here. We appreciate your great presence and we acknowledge. We also will remember because national patrons of the Dubai women. And we have Honorable Mrs. Wada Igwe Adaukwaro. We have Professor Nenna Kano and of course Adukwaro as well, a member of the patrons of the women. Barrister Carol Dike Okora for Adaukwaro, Elder Miss Dr. Robert Nwa for Oji, Adukwaro, Neoma Gloria Umabe Adukwaro, of course Elder Miss Dr. Doris Oji is also Adukwaro, non-living Professor Mrs. Lana, also of the women as a patron. Thank you very much. Well, okay, yeah. We wouldn't forget so many committees in there. And publicity committee, we have welfare committee, and I know that Ijoma is part of that. The committee. A committee, one of the committees is entertainment. So we appreciate that you are here. But the rain is normal. The rain is normal, it's very normal, and so we can afford to continue the program very shortly because the rain will be over. Because the villages should begin to get ready, and the speeches will come from the committee chairman, the planning committee chairman, and of course the president general of Nzukwaro worldwide, Mazi Goodwill will be talking to us any moment from now to declare the whole thing open.
Or you can send it to me and become the WhatsApp already. Okay.
Can we
let me unplug this charger from this phone.
event to be able to talk to us. Ike, please, can we have the Ike Okura photo, please? Ike, can you be in the rain or outside the rain? Okay. The chairman of this planning committee should be able to talk to us.
Oh, you can be IKEJI. I live online already. I wait for the message. I live online already. I wait for the message.
It's simple. Because it's simple.
Send a message on WhatsApp because
it's simple.
What are you? I'm waiting for you, sir. I'm online already.
Because isi kuna mangu.
When they come, this is when they come. I want a video this thing now, but on a
Ugwakuma. Ija kapelea nene. Ugwakuma. Ugwakuma.
Go back and go ahead on this side. Let's man take it to go up.
I'm not going to see Kubiko, Eposa.
When did I go? When did I go? What's up for this?
Suffer on there.
Eh?
We did suffer there. Like this. Yeah, come on, face on this.
What is happening?
Please, you guys should be patient. It's raining. Hello, sir. Our picture, please, and record video. Oh, I got a print link as needed due to the card or by the envelope. The link I go link up for 100 pieces. again. Eh? I know me equals again. 3,200. I want to get you cut all the card or by name that envelope. The envelope is small. Ah, okay, happy. Already got AC is happy. So that one can white I use it before. Hello? I don't know how my wedding card get out to see some. Running has one and they say what you supposed not to be talk. You neck can put a year my convince him. Oh, yeah, can wear you. You go to your man, I'm reading on my walk. You go in and you go to something. Just yeah, you can win that way now. Hello, good afternoon. Please, he has already asked you. I'm sorry, sir, I will not waste your time. Is there any way you can give him 30 pieces of anyone? So how much is for the 50? How much is for the 50? How much is for 50? 10,000. What color? Can you snap it and send for me? Okay. All right.
Anatole President General Chicago, Marseille, Doziada Sibico, Uguaro, Bico, Gilobu, Malite Bico,
Samson. What's not 10,000? So what again? Look at this inside the young now. You go in Mama. Yes, you are. Design already. Mama. Rama get it to get 8,000.
Yeah, Mori here.
Huh?
Ori here.
Way on.
Because actually, I'm coming to let Chineke. I got that way happen meaning go to.
I send the picture of one down. Send the picture down. Body guy now. Hey man, send the like 6,000. I send the 4,000. You should go there. I send the reggae with the printing.
I got millions of ways to go. I just got it email.
6,000 on send. Just add 4,000. You can send the 4,000 now. You add that.
No, sir.
Just go there, put out there because no need to go now. Then send go him the picture the car can hold all there.
This evidence and yes. But they don't know.
It's him that said I'm making the go.
I don't know why. Because President General Kumawai, Abudi were you will have to talk about. You are the first vice. President General Kumawai. Because Abudi were okay, Tamakuba, Mina Mapozenana Jesus. Because actually, Bruno. Because actually, Bruno. IKEJI Ahmad Icho. Makana I have been people are here to come along. Tobit Mutauku na onye n'isi ụgbọ bụ ndị bekee na-ekwu a man after God. Anyị nwere onye eze and the king according to the order of Melchizedek. And this is the blessed land.
You might have to say that. As in, as it, I don't know, sit here. As in, if he got an idea about whatever.
President Up Aro is giving us his address, conscripted and overhead. Because you can say, happy remember to do your bit. This is just a show of what we are likely going to see. We are seeing you and thank you very much.
Come in, my camera.
PG, you can go on.
Hello? Hello? Okay.
That's a video.
Hey, Chineke.
Actually, has it. Open a Munaro Nipedu Magana in the Tabata. Alleged. Allow you, Iana one. I'm a digger to put down. Where you're in the Metinaka, Wesika, open a Munaro. But I get no empowerment. Open to
I don't line already. I run this. I don't send you message. No. You confirm all of it down.
You're worth 100,000.
Just come back to
Obinkita. Lobidavia. Opido. Pido warrior. Even Tavana, here I book it, here they put the one-off show. I want to get in the area.
this one.
Women to a man.
Okay.
I get up here.
Also, target she may say pretty inside.
I don't know. Oh, I don't know. I got after that. Church got evil. Of a Karam Nepera. That was them. If you were them, and I was them. If you were them, Obi the motor. Now, only the government, our local government, no ever.
Open the data,
Oh, but any of you Bolivia, Isabel, people, the government had to do. Well,
so it makes it 4,000. About 10,000. Printing on a web only.
What we are doing is of God.
Okay, no wala. But if I have a little bit, I can't send the battery inside.
Mami, she do.
the President General is still standing. Please, let's give him the respect to finish up with his address. There is time for this. We appreciate that you are very much around and you give us full blast of the entertainment as we make progress. Please. Please, because each come I have to see me, I agree. Because there is time for it. Thank you. Thank you very much. Because, the president is standing. Stop talking. Stop discussing. As soon as it's over, want Ike to begin to put himself together. We want to also recognize the fact that the chairman of this occasion is Professor Amanamiro Stephen, a professor of law at the State University, and he is very much here. We have to recognize him. Of course, he has his own time to be able to talk to us as the chairman of this event. So, Professor Amanamiro, please, we acknowledge that you are here. And when it is your turn, we will call you to come and also talk to us. Thank you very much. DPG, go ahead.
Biko, Okum Yaga. Open Maya, and there I did it. I think the group one. Aga, as I will go to the beach, we're very Yaga. I have to get a couple of minutes there. Then one my minute, but we have the rules. Upper Onya, Teenager Metro, Robinson, now there's a net car, did the bow. I got the American, up on the back, I have a daughter, not here. We could be a beacon of light and example. Let's take us to hear Basala light Up Aro. Big room. Onyolu, and again, let us go. Like I said earlier, we better out of the book. Come on, wine. Joanna. I'm with it. Leave it here at the as a can't remember the group. Now, when I was there, you can be. I can reach here and edit that. The grand finale of this occasion, let it culminate to the end of the series of activities. I'm with it. I remember the election effort. But I put my multiple harvest here. And that's what God done. One may look at the contributing when they see the arms that one Goodwill and the listener and when the cost the time God yeah the better son of Jesus Christ for the wine and
thank you very much PJ, thank you for a very elaborate. Can we put our hands together? People can go to PJ Ayaka Mazi Dozier, we don't see Uguaru. Thank you so very much. A lot of things he seem to have touched. And when Ezra comes on stage, he will be able to offload what exactly he wants to do. There is empowerment today for 19 youths from the 19 villages in Aro. There's what's going to be light Up Aro and Oko Macheberi Lenaro, because if I Lenaro, let me summarize what he said. We will come to that at the appropriate time. Meanwhile, can we have Ike, please, the chairman of this occasion, the chairman of the planning committee of this event. Can we have him, Ike Okafor, please? Ike Okafor, please, we want you to come and let's hear from you. While Professor Amanamiro Steve, the professor of law at the State University, the chairman of the occasion, he should be warming up because shortly after Ike, we will also invite him to come around. Thank you.
Go to WhatsApp. Network no be na here with people. Aro, Mamano. Aro, Mamano. Okibo, Mamano. Ụmụnwaanyị oriri ihe biko ejimo ohere a ikene nke kasị nke our new Eze Aro Dr. Maazị Eberechukwu onye nyere aka ịbụ na ihe niile na-aga taa na-aga nke ọma. Ihe afụna na oge aga aka eze emebu IKEJI nke taa pụrụ iche. Ọ pụrụ iche na ihe ike dị ukwuu maka na ihe ọma batara n'Aro. Ihe ọma batara n'Aro bụ maka na anyị enwere na eze. Ọ bụrụ na anyị nwere na eze, ọkwa na eze ma ihe nke ukwuu. Eze ihe Aro na-adị mma n'anya. Eze chọrọ ka Aro gaa n'ihu. So anyị na-enye ya ekele nke ukwuu taa. M na-ekelekwa ndị nzukọ Aro ndị kenyere m ohere ịwụ chairman of the Central Planning Committee for this IKEJI 2024. Anyị malitere si na o nwere abalị anọ anyị na-eji wee mee ihe dịka carnival. Anyị machakwara ya last Friday izu anyị ji ihe a na-akpọ interdenominational service wee kenye Chineke wee bịa Chineke mma wee sị anyị ka ọ ga-emere Aro dị ukwuu. Anyị bụ aka ọhụrụ n'izu Fraịde ruo n'izu Sọtọde anyị gakwa na Civic Center wee zi ndị ụwa niile nwanne m ihe a ụwa niile na-abụba anyị na-eme zi ụwa niile ndị dị iche iche ndị Aro nwere. Anọgba aka ọ bụ na izu Fraịde, n'izu Sọtọde, rukwa n'izu Sọnde, anyị mee lekchọ ahụ rukwa ihe gbasara ndị lekchọ Maazị Prọfesọ Joe Nwankwo delivera. Ndị na-emere lekchọ ahụ obi juru m dị m ụtọ nke ukwuu maka na ihe o kwuru anyị ziri na ụfọdụ ndị anyị na-eri n'Aro ọ bụrụ naanị ndị nkabo na o bukwa ọgwụ mana anyị amaghị. So onye na-enwetaghị na-abịaghị that lecture biko chọwa lecture ahụ edere ede n'akwụkwọ tinye ya na platfọm ụmụ Aro. So iche ịga na platfọm ụmụ Aro jụọ onye nọ na that platfọm onye dị that lecture na ịgụọ ịma afụ na ihe Aro na-eme dị ukwuu. Na-ekelekwa onye ọbụla n'ebe a bịara eziokwu na ije ekwuola na mmiri ahụ floods of blessing mgbe okwekwara na mgbe floods of blessing na obodo anyị gara mmiri abụla akwụsị na anyị na-emecha ndị niile akpọ n'ime ụda. Mgbe na-adịghị anya anyị ma-amalitekwa n'onye niile anyị na-akwado ime taa. Vidiyo ekwuola na anyị nwere ndị anyị họpụtara from the 19 villages ndị ahọpụtara na a na-enye 100,000 ka wee kwagide biznes wee na-eme. Nke ahụ mmalite bụrụkwa n'afọ ọzọ anyị na-ewelite ebe ya mgbe n'ewo ọ na-akakwa n'ihu onye mee ọfụma ihe na-eji wee gaa ya mma na ọ mere ọfụma ọfụma inye ya more money so that na o mebidokwa na-eme biznes ọ na-aga n'ihu. Nke ọzọ bụrụkwa na taa ife abatara n'Aro. So anyị na-emekwa ihe gbasara lunch igosi Aro na ihe Eze Aro kwupụtara a na-akpọ light up Aro. So tatakwa a na-ekwudo okpokoro okwu maka ihe gbasara light up Aro. Aro mma mmanụ ịhụrụ ihe ndewono.
Thank you very much. Okay, that's the chairman of this event, the planning of IKEJI 2024. He's done pretty well, and we have no choice than to give him a round of applause because he has done very, very well. Thank you so very much, Eke. Before we go into empowerment, going by the directive of the Please, the chairman of this occasion should please come and talk to us 1-2 minutes. And I'm talking about Professor Amamiro Steve. Please, the professor of law, we want him to come and say 1 or 2 things. And then we can now move on to the next item, which has to do with the empowerment. Briefly, we'll do that. And then all the villages, because so that the moment we call you, you come out, and in more than 10 minutes to perform, and you go. This rain, I wouldn't mind, is a blessing. So please, as much as possible, all the villages, because the village of the 19 villages, he indicated so that I remember the first phase of the Dr. Nyama, please come around. While we expect Barrister Amamiro to come and talk to us 1-2 minutes as the chairman of this event. Professor, please oblige us, please. The weather is not really helping out, but I think it's a blessing in disguise. And of course, we expected that they should be shouted it. So if it didn't come, we would have queried, but it has come. Is he having a microphone? Okay, let's go. Let's go.
Let me pass now.
His Eminence. Our leaders are saying inside the people, may the king live long. Our own PG and members of the school, the patron didn't know one. All the other stakeholders, they won't know. His Eminence, save for one thing, I would have declined to talk. Because as far as we are concerned, when it's chairman of the event, and when there are a lot of breaches in protocol. And for us, who are procedural in things, in actions, when you come and there are breaches in protocol, you just foreclose talking. Oh, you quite a good. Otherwise, the way I'm doing. But whenever a guy here, MC will appropriate the total function and role of the chairman. To the extent that even the chairman is here watching, and my PG is there. Our chairman, I had a big on Wednesday. I was to go back on Friday. But it's okay. His Eminence, today is a special day because the entire processes now got evil, now got successful. But I want to deviate from any render on the book. I want to take my own stand. And my own stand lies on 3 things. 1, Up Aro, please stop demarketing Aro Chukwu and our leadership. Stop demarketing Aro and the entire leadership. God has within a short period between 2023 and now given us 2 very good leaderships. One is on the political realm, and one is on the monarchical and traditional realm. We have been praying over the years. Check the electoral history of Aro Chukwu. Over the years, God blessed us with a member of House of Assembly. Please, who let this up like by the people? Bless us with a member of Federal House of Assembly who also later became a senator of Federal Republic of Nigeria, in the person of Up Aro. We have covered the field on the legislative arm, section 4 of the 1999 Constitution. We continue to pray. Every electoral process, every electoral year, governor, president. Arrows are always represented on the electoral map of Nigeria. And God, by last year, blessed us with a governor. And we have continued to enhance. We have continued to enjoy it. God bless us with another young man, an offshoot of his own grandparents, a man that will stay by the grace of God another long, very long year on that seat, like his grandfather. A very young man, obeying, well read. What is that in a name? What is that in a name? God has given us two leaderships. Ebere Chukwu Oji. Why did their father not stop at Ebere? Ayana Aju Ebere Kisebo Orkeza na Kechireke, Orkeza Mad. But Ebere Chukwu and Oji. Oji is Sariroko 3. Ebere Chukwu is the mercy and kindness of God. That is the meaning. And that is why nobody can bring you down. Nobody can bring you down. Because what has come to you was already predestined. When you were Christian, Ebere Chukwu Oji, God knew you are going to Noah like an Enugu tree. What is that in a name? If God has given us, within this short period, two quality leadership, why must we continue to demarcate and blackmail our leaders? Even on social media, they continue to pretend to destroy us. They cannot destroy us. You cannot newspaper, you cannot radio, and the people who are doing it, who are perpetrating in this act, are people in Monkey, even village. Go to their villages. All these people, not the Kano, they put it outsiders who have joined forces with some of us, who are demarketing us, who are blackmailing our leaders. It is time for us to have a change of heart. IKEJI is a time of gratitude to God, and it is expected to show gratitude to God, and not to destroy or to show ingratitude, because we are not stopping here. I am when I said, don't that ambition. God shall also bless us with it one day. And if we continue to show it is today that this period a good harvest from the farm our mind and change our leader. And I want to congratulate our governor and everybody who has made it possible for this thing, particularly our God, and God will continue.
The chairman, I want to appreciate. You have really spoken well. While I also apologize that he's not been called to take. It should be heard before now. I wouldn't know what goes on here, so we apologize to you. And please take it in good faith in the spirit that we are here to make things work. Take it easy, take it easy, please. Thank you very much. The next is the empowerment arrangement. Because I recruit Nile, I because no see I even the pressmates, you have a standard.
we should have a standard. And no, this zigzag movement is not helping us at all. Because I already Honorable Barrister Chijoke Wanko, LLM, MBA, who is also the mayor of Bende Lokuru, Ikem Okoye Dike, SMO of Fibo Nile. Thank you for coming. Empowerment and where is Onyema?
I'm here.
From there.
Yes,
Because President General up here, please. PG, can you come up here, please?
Aruchukwu Youth Micro Enterprise Promotion Standing Committee Nyaho mere their 5th meeting around 2 p.m. and has approved the nomination for Aruchukwu Kingdom Micro Youth Empowerment Program. MIM, grant powered by Eke Aro, His Eminence Dr. Ebere Chukwuoji, Eke Aro of Aruchukwu Kingdom, Eke Aro in Council, and Nzuko Aro Chukwu Worldwide, led by Honorable Sir Nnadozie Udensi. Members present during that 5th meeting were Mazi Dr. Eke Jonathan Nabihe, the chairman, Mazi Engineer Godi Ijoma Ugwaro, the advisor, Aduku Delight Sunday Adecho, member, Mazi Barisa Obonia Toti, member, Mazi Achinivo Krabo, member, Mazi Dr. Onyema Edward, secretary. After the meeting, we approved the following people from the 19 villages as the first beneficiary of this MIF program. Nando Hu Abago. Okay. So we have Okra for Daniel Ihai. Abago Noneba. We have Aman Nabo, Ungero Obinna. We have Amango, Ungero Obinna. Yeah. Okay, Namango, I will always Zuku Sabesti look card on an eba. Okay, then Namo, I will Ikoku Esther Christopher. Namokwa, I wear Peter Chibuzo, one more. Namaso, I wear George C. Eze. Namovi, I wear Oluchi Okoroko Ononaba. Asaga, I wear Muizu John Thomas. Natali, I wear Michael Uchechukwu. Nibo, I wear Chukwu Nososi Okoro. Nisimpu, I wear Okoroko Chidera Wankwa. Obinkita, I wear Chidebere Favor C. Noro, I wear Ngozi N. Obioma. Nubo, I wear Chinenye Ojo Koro. Nuguavo, I wear Romanus Nneka. Nojari, I wear Eze Azubike Okorafo. Nutubugu, I wear Chimampam Omuka. After these people, the pioneer beneficiaries were selected. Our committee, Ozukaro and His Eminence. Now I'm talking here about a quarterly program every 4 months. Now I talk about a more than a Christmas. Now we have a Up Aro youth, Oko.
Now, the goal of AMAYEP is an initiative aimed at fostering economic growth and reducing unemployment among the youth of our kingdom by providing financial grants and capacity building opportunities.
Biko ịbụrụ na ihe a na-eme ugbu a ọ ihe ji wee chọọ inyere ụmụ anyị aka ebe ọ dị iche iche. Onye dere ihe a bụ Eze Aro. Ọ na ga-eme ya ọkwa ihe na wepụta ikpe eji eme ya. Biko unu dum gaa n'ebe a pụrụ gaa ekele Eze Aro.
Too close to them. You are too close. They're going to use you next. This way they misbehave.
Amangu biko maputia sabiko mbadi ku display ya kono gawa. Yes. Amen.
Thank you very much, Amangu. Thank you very much, Amangu. Amangu Yemela. Amangu Isiogo Kemonwe. I'm a very proud son of Amangu village, and this is our culture. We love it and we cherish it. Agode. Also Tanavovo. Agode.
Thank you
very much, Amangu.
Biko, Undoreba gets the picture with
Biko, let's hurry with this empowerment thing. Please, as much as possible, let's be through with it.
Biko, again, Unu, Imana, ever take cash about where Onuga Puyopo. So, again, transfer.
That's 19 beneficiaries.
You drop your account details.
19 beneficiaries from the 19 villages in Aro getting 100,000 naira each from Aro as empowerment. 19 villages in Aro getting 100,000 naira each as empowerment from Aro, and that's Aro project. And also today he will be lightening up Aro as we speak.
We'll get all of them.
And if they do well with the 100,000 naira, then the sky is the limit of what he will do more. They are taking photographs right away as I speak. Because let us also remember that apart from the channels and Arise Television and Niger Delta Media,
Master Engineer Goodwill job of Guaro Biko, actual Trader General, as the chairman because the advisor Biko, also Biko.
Can we go back?
Please, MC, please come up here. Come up here. Let's be orderly in what we are saying, please.
still they go back again for we.
Okay, then go back.
Are we good?
No, let's go.
Good.
Spot down.
Let's go back. Hey, Didion. Come here, come snap picture. I mean, get a shot. I will come there by the shot. Let's go. Come back. Shoot for us. Carry on. You are streaming. You are streaming. Hold on. We're not stopping. Wait. Carry on. Let's go back. Hold on. Carry on. You need to tell him.
Because he menu ngwa because ndị na-ese foto yi ise ngwa. We also have the Federal Ministry of Culture and Tourism. They are also there. We'll give them 1 or 2 minutes also. The Federal Ministry of Culture and Tourism. Media, please, I understand you are blocking even the audience. Media. Because the media, company side. Okay. Because you are blocking the judges. Please, media, please. Of course, we want to let you know that the Federal Ministry of Culture and Tourism. The Federal Ministry of Culture and Tourism, they are in Aro, and just this morning we took a tour around 7 steps or 20 steps, 79 steps at the waterfall. Yes. So the villages now, we want to invite the villages to come in. Are we done with the empowerment? Okay, what next? Light up. Okay, can we have the Light Up Aro committee, please? The Light Up Aro committee, please. If we call you and you have a role to play, can you come out quickly? Because we don't have the time and the weather is not very friendly. Light Up Aro committee, can you file out? Because the weather is also changing again. Yes, we agree it's a blessing to us, but it's not easy to operate while the rain lasts, please. It's not easy to operate when the rain is on, even though it's a blessing to us. It's going to disrupt our Light Up Aro committee. Where are you? Are they here now? PG, please. What's the next thing, please? Take your microphone. Give PG the microphone. This we shouldn't take them.
Because here I don't know Light Up Aro. I guess I'll put a member during this program, but it is being spearheaded by His Eminence, the Ezra Aro. The chairman of the committee, they may be a vast statement. Who the man Abia the federal yaka one here go to their cost to enable us to know how to go about it from the chairman.
Mmamano. Ndị inyom ori ihe His Eminence the SRO Engineer Dr. Eberechukwu Kanu Oji. Ndewo. Because can start now the existing protocol, so everybody is recognized. The Light Up Aro was an initiative of several corporates and international organizations. That we are expecting to partner with us. We are also expecting that Uzukaru, Umuaru will also come and support the initiative. Basically, Light Up Aro
an initiative to light all the corners of Aro street lighting. The objective and aim, in addition to light up everywhere, will have the impact of a lot of economic advantages away from Aro. It is something we have never seen before. And it is a huge project and a huge investment and a huge impact on the Aro will be felt from not only our generation, but others to come after us. Because of the size and nature of this project, it calls for the high network individuals, which we will have to call in the name of Aro and Aro to come and support this project that will impact the law on us. It is also expected that in addition to this, little things like having some charging points, having things that will make the whole difference to the business will be incorporated in it. We thank the other state governments, we thank all the corporate and non-governmental like a pilot project which other towns for other state governments, which other towns will come to emulate. Aro before a beacon of light, and through his eminence, who has already shown us light in leadership, light in the spiritual realm, and now he's giving us street lights. So we know that light Aro will continue. Because I in a room where when we come for it, for those that are put to support, they are also invited to through Aro pledge the support. Otherwise, we will be able to go as a subcommittee of Aro to reach out. And when we reach out, you should know that it is not us, political us, reaching out to you. They were reaching out to you in the name of Aro, in the name of the people of Aro, in the name of his eminence. And we will expect massive support from it. Okay, I continue to be quite a long to continue. But just to say, a very big thank you to Aro in anticipation for the huge support. And once again to say, a huge thank you to his eminence.
Where?
All the black ideas, all the people out there with Aro, all the white, different aspects of our life.
But the still is not closed now. Unless mother cameraman don't even know.
In God's mighty name.
Thank you very much. Thank you. The team is ready to lighten up Aro. That's exactly what they are saying.
Aro, man. Okay, man. In support of this very laudable project, because Ebola with the rock in idea, and as the secretary of this very committee, which are also with 1 million naira.
Thank you very much. The secretary has already donated 1 million in support of Light Up Aro.
This light up program was in the Eba. Rather than I came with this Oboroko.
Because
I am honorable and I'm support our light up program with 200,000 naira.
Because no, can we quickly do it? Only so when you get there na be panya, you know, when you phone number where you can actually coordinate it.
If you want to be part of it, if you want to be part of Light Up Aro, there are several ways you can do so. There are several ways you can do so. Time is not, helping us out. The committee on Light Up Aro, please. You can approach whoever you want to approach individually and let him contribute silently. Biko ndị ayagali bido biko ndị ama agwụ ihe nọ nso. Because he will have to go and be in there. No one is Light Up Aro. They can write it down on their phone numbers and whatever. You will contact them later so that we can make progress. The heavens want to collapse on us and we're watching.
What I forgot to mention, when our instruments have already installed 430 units of that maximum lighting.
Can you put your hands together for his minute? 400 plus. 400 plus already in our kitchen. So the committee has less job to even do.
Out of the 3,000 units we are looking at, we have 3,000 minus 430 already. People are really doing it. One hour without one, Gara and Gua. I can look at the of Dono as usual. I'm going to go.
I don't know the village so because PG as usual and PGs are a platform can be created for this purpose, for this project, and whoever is donating will be reflected on the platform. Thank you. Now then I'll be the judges, are you ready there? Judges, are you ready with us? Are we moving with you, the judges? Are we moving with you, the judges? Okay, thank you. PG, please surrender a microphone to us, I beg.
Ojani kika basibike ngwangwa. Ubo get ready, Amufi get ready. Amufi get ready, Ubo get ready. Biko Ubo. Amufi, Ubo. Atani should get ready. Ubo na bi Amufi on this one as Biko.
Okay, Wande Ojari Mechalabi.
Ojari, thank you very much.
The next one.
Ibom, Biko, Amufi. Obinkita.
Willie. Hey, where are these securities now? Shit, get the fuck out of the way now. Yes.
much. No dictating a mela biko. Mother Ibom now by Sadiko.
Look at my camera. Okay. Going inside there.
I'm moving.
Okay, because it appears we can now ask the mayor of our local government to actually make a very brief speech. The mayor is very much a mayor of our local government. Honorable Eke Ekpe is very much here, and there is need for us to actually hand the microphone to him for him to make one of his speeches to us. Is he ready? Is he ready? Okay. Let's get him.
Okay, Mbamano.
Yeah.
Our local government, Mbamano.
Yeah.
Abia State, Mbamano.
Yeah.
Igbo Mbamano.
Yeah.
Nigeria Mbamano.
Yeah.
Your Eminence. Ndewo. Wait a minute, when I saw you dancing and walking majestically to this arena, your face beaming with
smiled. I said, oh my God. I really don't have much to say today than to congratulate you and the people of Aro Kingdom, and of course, all of us in Aro local government for this wonderful location. We have today recorded another success after the coronation story. Congratulations, Your Majesty, Your Eminence. You have rolled out 2 wonderful programs to move the kingdom forward. The empowerment program, which the Speaker told us that it is not going to end today, it will continue even next year. And also the Up Aro program. The Up Aro program ordinarily is a program we supposed to undertake as local government. But because today we don't have the capacity, so you have reduced the burden on us. But at the same time, Your Eminence, I want to say that we must be part of this program. So we are going to sit down, discuss, and know how we can partner with you, with your kingdom, to light up Aro. And when Aro is lit up, I'm sure every other community within the local government we want to be in. So it is a good thing for us. Congratulations, and congratulations to every son and daughter of this kingdom. I want to say congratulations again to everybody for finding time to celebrate with us today. By the glory of God, by the grace of God, all of us are going to gather here by same time next year to continue the celebration.
Thank you very much, Mayor of Aro Chukwu.
Yes.
President Aro, thank you so very much for what you have told us. We have the Mayor of Bend as well. Barrister Chijoke very much, and you want to lend his voice. You want to lend his voice. Can you please give the microphone to him? And I want to lend his voice. Is he ready? Go ahead.
To Aro, Mamano. To Aro, Rieno.
Yeah.
Wano.
Yeah.
Ndi yomoriha rihe.
Mazi.
Your Eminence. I thank you very much for this great night. This event is holding today. And I want to specially thank you for the wonderful innovations. Looking at you, we didn't expect less. I'm an Ihoma Kanadianihu. Let me also congratulate and thank His Excellency, the Executive Governor of Abia State. Na Ihoma niile ọ na-eme, mana Abia, mana Aro Chukwu, and all the support ọ na-enye anyị na local government. Ndị mabende tupu anyị abata, ma otu ọ dị, mataranụ ebe anyị na-ebugolo ya today. So we will continue to kick in and follow his footsteps. I know that your kingdom, which I'm part of, because I know I know your kingdom is blessed. The local government. So we are part of it, and for the project, as a son,
I will also participate. But I will cease from mentioning a name as a political office holder. But I can raise those in my personal capacity.
Thank you very much, the Mayor of Bende. I appreciate what you have said. We have recorded that we will also partake in the Light Up Aro that Aro just launched a while ago. We appreciate that. The same for Aro, the local government, Mayor of Aro local government. We are very hopeful that you will partner with Aro on Aro Kingdom to ensure the Light Up Aro project is properly executed. We appreciate you greatly. Thank you. But I don't know who is coming now. The rain is a hindrance. I wouldn't know. I wouldn't know who is on stage. I have to be pardoned because I can't wade into this rain right away. But we are seeing movements all over the place. Movements. Ubo is here. Okay, Ubo. His Royal Highness says John Okoro. Are you here? From Ubo, that's the Ibo. Are you coming out? Here's a John Okoro. If you are here from Ubo, come and welcome the rain shouldn't be a hindrance. So coming to say welcome to Ubo people because that is part of your responsibility. Is John Okoro coming? All right. What kind of disturbance is that Ubo? Is this Mapule from Ubo? Okay, I hope the Ubo village, the head is John Okoro, and of course that is a Bubedike cultural dance. That's what Ubo is actually coming with. I hope the examiners are also watching very closely because there is also a prizes for innovative ideas also from the schnapps, from the because the schnapps in the prizes to all the winners of today's event. Him and Snaps in here for the past 3 days. Snap is already repackaged and then it is even better now than before. They are part of this arena, so I am told that there are prizes for the first prize, second prize, the third prize, most innovative community and all that. So yes, Seaman Snaps Award. Seaman Snaps Award. First prize, EU and vegetable oil. Kale tina gina hende nzukaro kwa doberinye ya baranyambo. Nde baranda bo akwarai so olugi mana rice bo abo 95,000 naira or 100,000. Now you are getting it free. Okay, is it 25 kg? Thank you. Then the second prize, yes, third prize for 1 bag. The most innovative village in terms of the dances will go with your one live goat. One live goat. Ubo is here with a very mighty shark fish. Very mighty shark fish. Can we go this way, please? Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Please, can they go if they have finished their turn? Ubo, thank you very much. Where is Atani? Oh, I want to hear the laws here. I want to hear the laws. Look at the fishermen themselves. I hope the shark does not eat you here. Ubo community. That's very, very good. Thank you very much. The shark is in trouble. The shark is in trouble. The net seems to have covered the sharks, and then the shark really cannot go. So it's. I hope that the examiners are watching closely wherever they are hiding. The examiners are watching. Please, can we have another village? Can we have another village? Anthony is already here. Let's go with them. From Anthony, the PG is a barrister. Obinkita is already lobbying that we should allow Anthony to take their turn. Where is Anthony community? Anthony village? Is Anthony here? Okay. Thank you very much, Ubo community. We now go to Anthony right away. The PG is actually organizing them.
Oh no, but I'm not only one. Where
is this one? Is it Anthony? That's a bit of drama. Drama from Anthony.
Oh, happy. Mabuya. Oh, my God, I'm a movie. When you get me, or when you get me, who job I you know go, who job I you know, but when you get me, you want to go.
Thank you very much.
Do you also want to say that? Thank you very much.
Thank you, Anthony community. Please, can you leave? The priority is I'm seeing him.
Akuma, Council work. Ndugu Akuma should follow. Abago is here. Now, Begunda Abago Gibaya. I don't know. Now, there's a one there. What is now Begunda Abago Gibaya? I want to know. I want to know. Okay, thank you very much. All right, thank you. And I think they are doing it well. They are doing it well. Thank you very much. Okay, I see me tending on all right. We're going away. Why am I moving? Why am I moving? Ozato. Yeah, I'm going to move. What am I doing? All right, thank you very much. Abago community, Ojojo, and that's what we are seeing again. Thank you so much. Thank you, OGB Barrister, for helping us out. We appreciate it. I want to believe that the judges are also recording. Seaman's chance. Amopa is it Ubakumo? Amopa? Which one is coming now? Amopa? Nde Amopa? Nde Amopa? Nde kuka ndi Amopa wesala nyeba? Ndaye gundi amukolezi ayi.
okay, thank you very much, thank you. All God on our job, okay? These are all the only as a community. Okay? Okay. I thought I would see everywhere, you know here. After a job from all right. The community that is here with Akwe Gogo and they are used to this environment. They are used to it. Okay, here they live. Here they live. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Who is next? Who is next? Who is next? I'm over here. Dr. Owuche, is he here? We should join them. We should join them over Dr. Owuche. Dr. Owuche, Pano Owuche, the secretary of physical, if you are here, join them. The name of the dance is Arubi, and that's where they're coming from. Owuche is joining. Owuche is joining. That's the joy of it. Dr. Owuche Kano is joining in the village in spite of the rains. And he's joining the Arubi. That's it. Meaning that Arubi is exactly what we want everybody to go into. Otherwise, if you buy fuel for 2,000, at least you see something to eat. Or we can spray money already. But we can spray money to the drummers. And that is showing solidarity with the community, ladies and gentlemen. Ubakuma, I understand, is on the way. That's the captain's community. Maybe I will join them as maybe I will join Ubakuma as they are coming in. We have there's JC Ino there. He can represent us. Is Okoro also there? If he's there, he can represent us. That's the PG. Ubakuma is here with Obinkita cultural dance. Obinkita cultural group from Ubakuma, very close to, very close to. Today, Mama should be packing their load. Mama, please. Okay, Oruka is done already. Oruka is done. Thank you very much. After I'm over, Ubakuma is here, but I'm working because I'm working. I can't go. It is understandable that I'm working. I am at work. So captain cannot work. Duty calls, that's it.
Hey,
Alright, people, as we go on, you know the Light Up program is still on. It's a project that we just initiated today by His Eminence. And we want to make a donation. We can go break up and give you the microphone to also pledge whatever you think you can play the Light Up present. Because of the Light Up program, you can call my attention to it so that we can give you the opportunity to do that very, very well. Okay, we got to my Zay now. One more section. Is it good? Dancing group. One more dancing group. Is it to my way? Where is Morris? Is Morris anywhere? Is Morris anywhere? Is Morris anywhere? Well, Captain is working as well. Captain is actually working. I'm at work. But I appreciate that my community is here, full blast. Okay, William is getting to do what we should have done ordinarily. We are joined them. If Morris is not there, he's representing them. Or representing him rather. Obinkita cultural dance from Ubakuma village. Thank you very much for coming. Thank you very much for participating. Thank you very much for your presence. Thank you. Thank you very much. We can also observe the dancing step of Ubakuma. People rather synchronize if you don't mind. Thank you. Otububu is also here. After Ubakuma, Otububu is following closely. And Kanoji, are you there? Otububu, Kokoma dance. And Kanoji is leading the path. What is there? Okay, Ubakuma, I will give back my people. All right. Can we have a one year talk if you are here, please come and tell us you are here. Alex, I'll go near talk please. Can we have a one year talk? We need your attention, but one year talk. Thank you very much. Go ahead, guys. Go ahead. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you very much. Obioma. Right there. No to Google. Where you perform, okay? No to Google. You perform. Okay? Alright. Kanoji is leading the path. Kanoji is even drumming. Kanoji is the leader. Kanoji is everything for them. Okay, I understand is their PG. Also, and they are here with Kokoma dance. Thank you. Thank you very much. And at the end of the day, we are here. is important to thank you. Thank you.
Bros, come out road, bros, come out road.
That's our community. Aro community is the Aro village. Aro village, where are they coming with? Are they with? Aro village, what are they coming with? We want to know. Aro village. What is the village? Is the music they are coming with? We need to know. What music are they coming from Aro village? We want to know. What music are they coming with? We want to know. We want to know. Aro village. Aro village with cultural dance. You wouldn't know the name, but the general name is cultural. I understand the youth, you have a very night and nobody should go. Even is coming down. Very much, Aro village. Thank you. Thank you very much. Aro village, okay? Thank you very much. The seat of power, village, is there. The palace, Aro's palace is there. And Aro is acknowledging that he has able to observe the other people here. So who do we take now? Okay. Aro is acknowledging the other community. Thank you. So who is coming? Is it where? Hey, I have a patrol. Is it? Where's the music about you? What about you now? Here's the music is down and is marching to people. Okay. If you want to contribute to the light of our project, please let us know. If you want to contribute to the light of our please let us know so that we can give you the opportunity to do that. The potential for losing to, and that is a usual style. Any place is in a riot. Besides you, I'm not going to do what you now. Hey.
Come on, this umbrella. Come on, umbrella, bro.
Hey, wanaombe haramira ugua. Hey. Well, the ministry in charge of culture and tradition in Nigeria, I know you have your representatives here. Can see what is happening here. The ministry in charge of see what is happening at this arena for the message back to Abuja. The ministry will take out for culture and tradition all the way from Abuja. I will be here. After Isik, do we have another village after Isik? We don't able to so they do that. We didn't that right now because we want to get into that item. Okay.
Yes.
All right, can we begin to wind down the show? Can we begin to wind down, please? This one. Can we begin to go? Thank you. This one, Thank you. The dead man is awake. Help us now, please. Can we move them? Let's begin to wind down, please. It's simple. Can we move them out? Can we move them? I can see SP Chijoke. He's a son of the soil in Isimbo village. Can we move? Thank you very much. Yes. I must tell you. Please, can we begin respect? Your time is up, can we go? In case it's your first time in Aro Kingdom, this is the field at the IKEJI Festival. This is very special. Yes. This is very spectacular. Our very brilliant performance. Very brilliant, very outstanding performance. Oh, my captain, you might have to go about first. I got it. We celebrate them. SPC is okay. Okay, one. I got it. You need a sign. All I hear you need a sign. Yes. Thank you. Oh, I got it. Thank you very much. Whoa! I got it. Yes. Thank you very much. Hey, line will go after. Of course, you know that this people has the highest crown, so I won't be. I'll give a crowd about first. Thank you. Thank you very much. Alright, the next one we have to hold on. Of course, we know where the village is. Alright, let's go. Let's get out here. Asaga village is not Asaga village consecutively in the past years took the first position for more than 5 times in a row. And that is history. That is history. So
let us see what Asaga can do with round.
Let's see. Asaga is going around. Personality like Mazi, Makano, Eke.
Up Aro.
He's here.
Of course he's here.
Of course he's here. The same community that we have in center.
It's Asaga. Mazi Francis Okoro.
I don't know if he's here as well.
Of course.
Francis Okoro, never see him coming.
Of course.
Never see him here. So let's see what is going to happen. Obinkita is here. Let's see whether he's here.
Ezogo Asaga is on ground. Mazi one more.
Obinkita is here.
Yes.
Obinkita is here. Let's see whether he's here.
He's here on ground.
And let's see what appreciation.
We acknowledge that.
Yes.
We acknowledge that, especially.
So we respect Asaga. They have
yes.
very peaceful community.
Only we can enter into them. Hey, Asaga, catch them young. That is the name of their dance. Of course, that is him. Assistant.
Also do some spraying.
All the way.
Yes.
Sure. I'm moving Asaga one minute. Yes. All the same thing. It's a massive. Doing some spraying. Yes. Tax economy, all the people are.
It's really the way to go because you're out of the country. So in the camp of Jakarta, welcome. We are looking forward to seeing you.
Mazilana,
We have been very elusive. Should have been here.
Mazilana, Ndi Asaga, Owen and Emelogo. Take it, Owen and Emena. Just take a look at that. Just as usual, very creative. So we have to encourage them.
You guys should begin to wind down. It's only 10 minutes left, but we are giving extra time. People along the line, if you're interested, and of course you should be interested, they contribute at the night of Aro. Please feel free to signal so that we can ask you to do that if you want to do it publicly. Otherwise, you need the chairman of that project and then enroll as one of the contributors to the project. We appreciate it. This one is another.
All right, can we begin to wind down? Asaka, please. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you very much. Can we leave Asaka because Biko, your time. The judges please exceed their time. We won't like that. The judges please exceed their time. We won't like that. Yes. Biko, center, please help us. You have stayed more than 10 minutes. Please, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you very much. Can we just move? Can we make a move? Thank you very much. Very awesome. Very beautiful performance. Exciting. And if you ask me, very beautiful. Thank you. Only found them in the Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Biko orandi ego aburom wewe bemchiwo obia ade shagare house biko oburi welele omu wele beji biko oburo goge welele omu wele beji biko ega na shagare house kaunu wele jiun biko thank you. I think we are done with the villages. We are done. We are done with the villages. The judges should please begin to tidy up. The judges should begin to tidy up.
All right, mic check. Okay.
Okay, because over the judge, you know this yesterday in the bike na Mkoibo misi onyaho. Obro judge again efu. Obro when the judge again efu, because come to me and let's show you where the judge is with the proof of ownership, and then we'll please close to you. Because we are almost done with the dances from the villages. We want to appreciate that all villages participating. It is obvious that the week and then with special selection for those who couldn't win. First prize, second prize, third prize, most creative village, poetry, and a whole lot about that.
All right, thank you very much. Captain, thank you very much. Now we would allow His Eminence to give his speech, his official speech. Yes, and then Meme Agawanivu, Ezaroma Waji, Owabaji, Meme Ndodo Agawanivu. Okay. Yes. In a group I
a very important part of this ceremony today. And behind Obinkita, Eke Aro's remarks, and immediately after that, he will perform a very important ceremony, a very important ritual, which is the IKEJI officially. Ladies and gentlemen, Up Aro, I'll hand over the microphone to His Eminence for his opening remark and his official speech. His Eminence.
Aro, Mamma! Okibo, Mamma! Ndeja Gamba, Mamma! Eza wana kwalago, Mamma! Ibo Misi, Mamma! Okenachi, Mamma! Arochukwu local government, Mamma! Abia State, Mamma! Nigeria, Mamma! 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 Umwanyo orihe. Ntam anyị awawa ji o nwere okwu ndebisa mma agụ kama aga eze emeje ihe ozi ezi biko ịbịa bụpụrụ ji nke a wahalara awa bụpụ na ya hapụrụ anyị nke awakpeghị agụ kwesịrị ịdị ee nkotokwu aka wụ na ha agbalị ọ dịghị ezi maka na ndị nọ n'onyonyo na-anaghị ahụsị Igbo arụ mmeji okwu bekee goto okwu m anyị anawere dịkwa Igbo arụ mewe nke so ya na-aga n'ihu. The prepared speech of Eke Aro is what I want to read now. This speech is titled Aro Renaissance and subtitled Unity and Youth Empowerment Through Culture. A speech delivered by His Eminence, Dr. Ebere Chukwuoji, Eke Aro of Arochukwu Kingdom, at the Eke Ekpe IKEJI 2024 Festival. All protocols observed. Up Aro, our esteemed elders, our beloved women and youths of Arochukwu, and our distinguished guests from far and near. Today, as we gather again under the benevolent gaze of our Heavenly Father to celebrate the IKEJI Festival, a vital, time-honored New Yam celebration tradition that binds us all as Up Aro together. I'm filled with immense pride, joy, and hope. We are here to witness a new dawn in the history of Arochukwu, a renaissance that seeks to revitalize our rich cultural heritage, foster unity among our people, and empower our youth for a brighter future. As we all know, IKEJI is very special, a most significant festival celebrated annually to mark the harvest of New Yam in Aro Kingdom. We usually celebrate this in the month of September every year, thanking God and our ancestors for bountiful harvest, diverse blessings, marking the end of farming season and welcoming the dawn of a new farming year. I'm most privileged and delighted to officially host this, my inaugural and first IKEJI Aro Festival since I ascended the throne of my forefathers.
Thank you. Today, as we celebrate IKEJI 2024, we are not only marking the beginning of a new Aro year, but we are also embracing the dawn of Aro Renaissance in all ramifications. The Aro people have an enviable legacy that stretches back centuries, a legacy forged in the crucible of history, shaped by our traditions, our customs, and our values. Our ancestors were renowned for their wisdom, their courage, and entrepreneurial spirit. They built a kingdom that was a model of prosperity, peace, unity, cultural exchange, and brotherliness in and around the eastern region. However, over time, the winds of change have eroded some of the foundations upon which our heritage rests. We have witnessed a gradual erosion of our cultural practices, a decline in our language, both spoken and written, a disconnect between the younger generation and the wisdom of our elders, and a loss of our traditional practices that preserve the life of our people through the centuries. It is time now to reclaim our space in the sun, to reclaim our heritage, to rediscover the essence of our Aroness, to rekindle the spirit of unity that once characterized our community. The Aro Renaissance is a movement for which I'm calling all Omaros, home and abroad, and in the diaspora community to join. This movement seeks to achieve those goals that I have just enumerated. It is a call to action, a resonant call for all Aro people to come together, celebrate our shared identity, and forge a glorious future. Let us not forget that culture is more than the beauty of our dance, the rhythm of our drums, or the splendor of our attire. Culture is the embodiment of our values, our shared values, which include respect for our elders, respect for constituted authority, honor to whom honor is due, communal service, integrity, hard work, and eschewing everything that is evil. These are the pillars upon which the Aro nation has been built, and these are the principles that will empower us all, including our youth, to lead in every sphere of life that we'll find ourselves, with purpose, candor, courage, charisma, and vision that is uniquely Aro. Yes, the Aro Renaissance is a cardinal commitment to empower our youth, which we are doing today. They are the future of our kingdom, the torchbearers of our tradition. We must provide them with the necessary tools and opportunities to shine and to succeed. By engaging them in cultural activities and exchanges with other communities, educating them in both historical and modern educational information and leadership development, we are investing in their future and ensuring the continuity of our heritage. We must of necessity prepare them so that we can hand over the baton to them when the time comes. Through our unique mentorship programs, our festivals such as this great IKEJI festival, our traditional arts, our cultural education, our food, attire, language, sights and sounds in our community, we shall be empowering our youth to take pride in who they are, to have their unique Aro identity. We call on all our elders to pass down the wisdom of the ages, to teach our youth the customs, the practices, and the values that have shaped this great kingdom. This is our time as a kingdom. It's our moment in the sun, and we must make the most out of it. This is our heritage, and with it we can forge a future where our traditions thrive alongside the demands of modern day living. The Aro Renaissance is not just about cultural revival, preserving the past, celebrating the present. It is also about redefining what it means to be Aro in the future. This Renaissance is an engine for economic empowerment. It's an engine for cultural rediscovery. It's an engine for science, technology, and development. As we promote our culture, we unlock the vast potentials for tourism, for arts, and for crafts, for innovation, and for technology. We want to build around and in Aro industrial parks, tourism centers, medical tourism, and the likes that will attract people from all over the world to come and visit Aro, not just during our celebrations, but throughout the year. The crafts of our ancestors, the storytelling traditions of our elders, the beauty of our sacred sites, including the waterfalls, the Ivuchukwu, and all the tourism sites in our kingdom will be duly developed and communicated, marketed to the world so that the world will come and see. All these are resources that are waiting to be tapped for economic and social development, and we must do our part. My dear youths, let us embrace entrepreneurship through diverse engagements that we will be facilitating for you in this Renaissance, whether it is through formal education by scholarship opportunities, agricultural training for running lucrative agribusinesses on innovation and modern farming techniques, vocational and artisanal craftsmanship in carpentry, tailoring, welding, plumbing, AI, computer, and the blue economy, and all self-development enterprise in the emerging information technology economy of the current century, of the opportunities that abound, including financial literacy, business planning for startup and small and medium-scale enterprises, sports development as in football, athletics, traditional games, environmental sustainability training for environmental protection and recycling for developing eco-friendly businesses, creative arts, film-making workshops, entrepreneurship opportunities through partnership with local businesses, health and wellness exposures for mental health and hygiene, and the youth empowerment opportunities as we have started today. The list is endless, the opportunities are boundless. We want to encourage all our youths to reposition themselves, to tap into these opportunities, make the most out of it, and put themselves in the global map. We shall be supporting you. I charge each and every one of us, our sons and daughters, friends, well-wishers, and lovers of the kingdom, our youth, our elders, our leaders, our community members alike, to take ownership of this evolving Aro Renaissance. Let us build on the foundation of, in the spirit of IKEJI 2024, we celebrate the harvest of our land and the harvest of our shared unity, wisdom, and strength. Together we can create an Arochukwu that is united, prosperous, and for which all Aro sons and daughters will be proud of. As we celebrate, may the God of heaven and earth and the God of our ancestors continue to bless us with the abundance of farm produce and other produce in the years to come. May we never lack showers of rainfall for bountiful harvest. May the earth never turn against us, and may we be alive to celebrate next year's IKEJI. Long live Arochukwu Kingdom. Long live Aro sons and daughters. Long live Abia State. And long live everyone that has come. I pray for all of us in the mighty name of Jesus Christ. Amen. All right, thank you. Bikono, ago menali anizade, eza roma waji, aywa baji, nusoro. Nde oruturu, mabi buruji, emewa IKEJI.
For them to give you full mic.
Aro, mmano. Okibo, mmano. Amanama, mmano. Umwayo rihe. Anya wala jio. Hupotoro ma. Kano gaya na maka.
Make I your husband.
Very simple. Yeah, you try nyaka. Are you the budget as are? I am going
Ezi simple, biko ndebe ọnọ. Ezi simple. Oso ndị abala. Adịghị. Ezoga mangu ọnụ ya.
My neck break.
Okay. Ngwabianu. Hii mara na ndị a na-eke oge n'arụ. Isi mkpu na mangu. Ngwaganihu.
Boss, make your umbrella for you. Make your umbrella for you. Which time they want on light? See the best way they want on the press.
Atọ isi mkpu na abụghị, atọ mango na abụghị, amata eze obi na agba agwụ, ọwụ ndị. Ike oge n'arụ.
They will not get them. Are you going to let's now pass.
Hold on, hold on. No battery on this man. What's that sound? Why the battery? I know they see.
Oh my God, go there.
I'm sorry. I'm taking on my go. I can't say if you are fine ever.
Yana ko ka wani le na fi ni me. Ka wona mutakwa.
Oh, Karen, go do work. Let me off. I'm doing well. How is it? Yeah. Which one is that?
See, watch your this thing. The tripod is not standing. It just do like this now.
This is my shot. They play the drone here.
It's okay.
Are you all on? You're going to follow me off. Do my phone.
Biko ndị tiri ọkụ na tent a, ndị tiri ọkụ na this tent because he be a tira nyoko he by oko na tent because please the vendors that took care of the powering of this tent, the lightning please. All your council na beke uwa makande na nagano
ya cha yungule
put them on top of the umbrella.
Because Neji camera and video, you know what about this side. The man with data, you can stay where you are. The man with data, shift to on the side.
Jina waga n'isi ogo wena ha abụrụ ji
dịka na abụrụ ji ya ka na-echetakwara onye wayara ọkụ
onye wayara ọkụ na tent a biko ya bịa tinye ọkụ
ya mee ka ọkụ chaa
na tent a biko We want to let you know that the Ministry of Culture and Tourism, the Federal Ministry of Culture and Tourism, the Minister of Culture and Tourism, and immediately after this very important part of the program, we shall invite them to address Up Aro from the Minister himself. Okay, I believe they are here. Yes, just a few minutes. Let's allow the
because the representatives of the Minister in charge of culture and tradition all the way from Abuja, they are here, so we just want to give them 1 or 2 minutes to be able to deliver the minister's speech. Thank you very much.
Good day all. Good day, yes. Standing on the existing protocol. My name is Mrs. Up Aro from Federal Ministry of Arts, Culture and Creative Economy. I will be representing the Honorable Minister, my person, Barrister Natu Musa Musawa. Aro Kibo Maman. Aro Kibo Maman. all protocol duly observed. I'm training to the part of the grand celebration of our rich cultural heritage here in our Kingdom of Abia State, Nigeria. We gather to promote and preserve our culture, unity, and youth empowerment, which are the pillars of our residence. As we celebrate, let us acknowledge the vital role that the federal government, through the Federal Ministry of Arts, Culture, and Creative Economy, plans in promoting, preserving our cultural heritage. Nigeria Abia State
What's happening now? Carry on, come forward. Just come forward.
It might interest you to note that the government, in admiration of the encouragement of cultural exchange programs geared towards promoting and preserving our culture, are evidence of numerous festivals across the country. Cultural events that makes place across the country, we celebrate the proud to see our cultural diversity showcased here in our Kingdom. Our youth for the ownership of our rich cultural heritage does not allow it to go into extinct. Recall the Igbo proverb that say, Onye wetara ọjị wetara ndụ, which translates that he who brings kolanut brings peace. Indeed, our cultural heritage is a symbol of peace, unity, and strength. Finally, join us all to continue working together to promote and preserve our rich cultural heritage, empower our youth, foster unity among our people. Congratulations to the organizers. Congratulations to our new grand king, which will be here last year by dear President. Your reign reigns forever. Participants of this festival, may our cultural residents continue to flourish in this note. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, I wish all a happy Eke festival. God bless Igbo. God bless Abia State. God bless our Kingdom. God bless Federal Republic of Nigeria.
Thank you very much. A round of applause.
Thank you. Of course, that's a goodwill message from the Minister of Culture and Tradition, and all the way from Abuja, as far as this issue is concerned, as far as this project is concerned. And they are preaching against, they are preaching peace, which of course is the crux of our meeting here today. Thank you so very much. Are we done with the seminar is done with the AYG? Are we done with that? Because I don't know if we can actually talk about the Nkui project. Because Ike and judges, please, let's have Nkui. Just give them 1 or 2 minutes and we are done, please. Nkui poetry, poetry, if you are here, come around and let's give you the microphone to do what you want to do, and within 1 to 3 minutes, we are done with that program and we wind down the show.
I can eat the brand new one uncle because very important.
That is what is remaining, and then we announce the results for the game. And I want to believe that with the judges are working around the clock to ensure that the right thing is done. They are INEC today, so let's see how far this is going. Nkui, are they coming? Are they coming?
nwere ndị village eburubeji ha biko chi gaa na Sagari House gaa were ji nwunye ọ bụrụkwa na ihe werela ọnwụ ihe were beji ị ga-akpa ma the same thing gaa na Sagari House biko ndị nri we have them. Please, the event planner, do we expect lights here? Are we expecting lights? Are we not having the quick exercise here? Eke Ekpe, please. Then are we not having you here? We just announced the result we have. Okay, the best is lights up. There's lights up. Are we not taking the program? Are we not taking the Ingui program? We are just leaving that. We are just leaving that. It's like and then the judges should please let's have the result. Judges, please, can we have the results? Can we have the results, judges, please?
We want to specially recognize the contributions of the Aruchubu Christian community,
yes,
and we want to appreciate their contributions.
Yeah, we have no choice than to do so. If we have not mentioned before now, please bear with us. We a lot of things here, and if we didn't call you as an individual, or we didn't call you as a group, please bear with us. I know that some clubs from Aro are here. We have Eke Club.
Yes.
We have Aro Song. We have Aro Song. We have all the clubs are here. Amaya is also here. But if we couldn't call you because of time and because of the rain disturbance, please bear with us. Yeah.
Yes, they are here live and direct. In full force.
In fact, they are here to pick up with the evidence.
In full force. The royal family is here. And
they want to take up the evidence.
Yes,
but they have to wait for us to finish before. Is that the...
Alright. The chief judge. Where
are you going with the
The judges have the results. Camarande parande kembote ka bonde ka to. Nande parande ke betemazi. On the table of the MCs, and we will. The trophy is also here. That's
awaiting the results of this competition that with us here. I don't know what to show you to show credibility for it. Okay. What are the trophies? What are the trophies, please? The judges, because we want to see the trophies so that as we are calling the first, second, and third prizes, they will be honored with those prizes. Head, right ahead. Because if we say the prizes, the trophies here. We have the chairman of the Central Planning Committee of this very 2024 IKEJI Aro ceremony, which was very well organized and very well planned. No. IKEJI is here.
You're front now. What position?
The former President General of Amove Welfare Union.
Sorry. She umbrella again. If we go back, we'll get this. Boss, if you go back small, we'll go back small. Yeah, but please, let's go back so we can get there.
Can we show His Eminence?
Zoom more out.
Let His Eminence see the trophy, yes, please. Can we show His Eminence the trophy? His Eminence, the trophies for first prize, second prize, and the third prize, respectively. Okay. We are beginning with the third prize. Because first of all, the Chikata result. We have never attached Duranya. In fact, because Sonic already prepared to win the first prize. So we want to thank and appreciate the committee, the panel that seem to have handled this very well. So because on that note, and when by the commission given to us by His Eminence, we can go ahead with the results. We want to say that the third position, balance. Ubo village, Ubo village, can they come forward? Ubo village, is John Okoro there. Okay, it's a very lucky. This is the first time he's standing in it as a Zondo. And he's taking a call. Very hard with the country. Yes. That's a sign of good things happening in Ubo. Very young and dynamic days in Ubo of Ubo. We appreciate it.
You're okay, right? Enjoy. Before no legend initiate. Move, make a balance way. Davido. I'm sorry, thank you.
Prize.
So Sir.
Go ahead. People hand over the trophy and the 50,000 over.
Let's have just sit back here.
Can we put our hands together for them? Thank you very much. Wonderful performance of Ugo.
Let's also thank Siemens Aromatic Lab, who are also here. In addition to the practice that Aro have given to Ugo, Siemens Aromatic Lab, in application of what is happening here, is also offering to the first prize winner 1 goat, 1 bag of 50 kg rice, and 2 oil. The top prize is 1 rice and 1 oil.
That's for the top prize.
Yeah, for the top prize. 1 rice and 1 oil.
Yes, people young
because that is from the place. Can we do all that? One house, please. One house, please. 50,000 naira and trophy of SEMA shops, 125 kg rice, and 1 liter. I'm not buying. Thank you very much. Because second prize. Second prize is going to Amuji Village. Second prize for Amuji Village.
And we have it Haziti and Apology. A remarkable example. Yes, giving all the glory back to Jesus Christ. Is a tea and apology. A very lovable man. Although wear a man for the man. Yes.
Second position is Amobi Village, and the money how much is the money? 70,000. Okay, this Amobi is already here. Okay, that's number one. The sum of 70,000 naira in addition. Yeah, from the SEMA snaps. From how many liters are you? Thank you very much. A coffee, 70,000, and a liter of granite oil. Thank you very much. All right, that is awesome. Thank you. Now the first prize. Hello. Can we have my favorite person to come and present the trophy? Yes. Can we have him? My favorite person.
Mazi Ogbonnaya Eze from Amangu. Mazi Kani our PG.
Mazi Kani was the PG of Amangu Development Union, the President General, and the President
we're talking about the French prize, right?
Yes, the French prize.
Is it the French prize?
Yes.
Okay, Mazab, the French prize. So, that's what we're saying. The winner will get the prize from you. Because in the Malande can go Nava. IKEJI 2024 that is very unique here. It's also the one here. The prize is a trophy, and there's also 100,000 naira package. And similar a rice.
The second gift, most innovative village. Yes, Atali village. Yes,
Atali will also get a good copy of the female aromatic shop.
Another boat. They will be So this crowd puller with 80,000 naira to collect. Incidentally, it is still Atali.
In addition to the 80,000 naira prize money, 40 of females aromatic shop. Atali is also taken away.
Congratulations to Atali village. Okay, thank you very much. Please, can we move away from the podium, please? Thank you. Thank you. Can we move away from the podium?
Can you please leave the program? We are going back to the PG and we are leaving. Please, can you leave Karina? Can you? Let me quiet the fact of the please. Let the silence.
Atali, thank you very much, please. Atali, thank you very much.
Because if one never na kai ho let us bring in the because nda kame bu ba le uni le please you want to say one thing for you are not crazy that is about to put the crazy forward you want to hear
Eke Ekpe mama.
Biko anyị chọrọ iji obodo a wee kelee mmadụ dum dara nụ. Anyị na-ekelekwa eze ahụ His Eminence Dr. Obinkita eze Belisi Maazị Ulos eze ahụ nakwara Maazị Obiakporo ndị na-edu m n'ebe a biko nna jiri okwu m elu na-ekele aga na-enwe nọgidego a member IKEJI nke a your eminence ihe a you have best out to the IKEJI and to the glory of God ọ gara nke ọrụ biko members of the exco
One day we will play with
we do okay.
Please,
Thank you very much, everyone. We want to say we should be back again next year at the same time. Of course, we want God to guide and protect all of us as we finish up this night. Thank you so much. I have to thank my team, the media team. I want to thank the team of MCs. I want to thank the team of Master of Ceremonies who actually assisted to make sure that the program actually was fine at the end of the day. We want to thank the committee led by Eke Ekpe for what he did. I think we did marvelously well. And for the villages that participated during the rain, we deserve exceptional thank you. Eke and Eke is about to go. Eke is about to go. Is also going. Is also the PG of Obinkita is also moving. Yes. Motion from Manu Pagez is also moving. Is also moving. A whole lot of other also signing that way out of the program. We want to thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, His Eminence is Engineer Dr. Obinkita, living in royalty, living in a grand style.
Of course, I want to let you know that there is a show here tonight, so don't go anywhere. We have a show here tonight, music, dance, and so on and so forth. So the show continues tonight here.
know they So we have come to the end of the event. Thank you for joining us.